What's up, guys? It's your boy the Night 2611 coming with you guys with another video on today. This video will be a little different than usual. You guys know that I do some unboxing videos of WWE, but today is going to be a taste test on Starbucks drink, the Tye Dye Frappuccino. Shout out to a new friend of mine, Mukbang Mojo. We came up with this idea, so we was like, all right, we may as well just try this out. So I'm gonna try it out, you guys. I'm not too big on special drinks like that. Normally I would get like a caramel frappuccino and then cut quits. But at this time, we're gonna do this taste test. If you guys wanna check out her edition of this video, she's also doing it. Go ahead, look her up. Her YouTube channel is Mukbang Mojo. So you guys, let's get into this video. So guys, I'm here at Starbucks and I just ordered the drink. I'm so scared for this drink, yo. So hopefully this thing goes right. So yeah. So guys, here it is. The Tye Dye Frappuccino. Got sprinkles on the top and stuff like that. Let's give us a taste, alright? It tastes like Captain Crunch. It seriously tastes like Captain Crunch, pretty much. It's good, but it wouldn't be my choice to get every single time. So if you guys want to try this drink, it's at Starbucks. It's a Tye Dye Frappuccino. So guys, pretty much done here. You guys want to go ahead, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to my channel. Yeah, pretty much done here. This is your boy, the Night 2611. Peace out, y'all.